Hello there and welcome, my name's Ishrak from Howard's Vauxhall, and today I'm going to be showing around our Vauxhall Mocha. Starting with the exterior features, this vehicle comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights, electric folding mirrors, keyless entry, and as well as front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera. Inside we have full leather seats which are also heated. We've also got front rear misters, air conditioning, climate control settings, stability radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, and as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. This vehicle also comes with a number of driver aid features such as cruise control, speed limiter, and as well as lane assist. If you'd like to learn more about this particular vehicle, please feel free to send us an inquiry on our website, or alternatively, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching, take care, bye bye.